Hey guys, it's Keegan and Brennan. We're fishing out on Millet Water Pond, or at Watermill Pond, something like that. And we have caught a bass when we were over there on the dock. We used worms, but I think
this. That's called a pig. 16 and a half, and I say about 4 or 5 pounds right there. Big buddy. And you use it on a sexy shad crankbait. Cranking at Water Pond. That's what you get. Alright, so we'll get some more fish for you back. And see you later to this guy. Hey guys, Brennan taking over now. That monster I just caught was huge. And so Keegan's casting these little lily pad spots here. Can you get one? No, just some weeds. All these lily pads are just casted on the edge, and I just nailed one over there. Oh my gosh, he was huge. I thought I had weeds, it was so big. Yeah, so all we're doing is kind of working right here. He's using a bluegill colored Gary Yamamoto crankbait, and then I'm using a sexy shad striking right there. And so, yeah, that's just what we're doing, and Keegan's doing some pretty good casting here. Alright, so once we get some fish, Keegan and Brennan, see you later.
hey guys, just caught another bass.
This is a big one.
Same lure.
Me and Keegan are going to switch lures now because he's not getting.
I think he might be a little longer.
Yeah,
Whoa.
but not as fast. But that's a nice bass right there. I say about 3 pounds, 4 pounds.
Here, John.
Nice bass. Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth. That's great. Alright, so let's get a measurement on him. Here, Dad, take that phone video. Keegan and Brennan here. Nice bass on the straight thing. Move my phone. Oh, just big together. Right there, let's see how big he is. You got an official thing of 16 and a half
again.
16 and a half again. You might have followed us. A little skinnier this time, but that's a nice bass right there. 2 or 3 pounds. You get a picture of that? And so on. We'll catch some more. So see you, Keegan Brennan.
Hey guys, Keegan and Brennan. I just caught a nice bass. I didn't really know at first that it was a bass, and then it started the line started going.
Yeah.
Like
I didn't think it
that.
was either. I thought it was big.
And so yeah, and then I started reeling it in, and it jumped in the air, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is my first bass in a while too, so I'm happy.
But that is a nice little guy right there. That would be a.
Here.
If that's 14. What?
Can I hold it?
One second, I gotta get the hook out.
Okay, well, we'll come to more fish with you guys, so see you later. Alright, we got a big bass that's right here.
Look at this.
Oh, crap.
Get in that. It's in that. Yeah, that's a nice bass right there, guys.
Look at him, look at him.
Fat, sexy shad. Let's pull him up. No, I got him good.
Alright, it's my line, and it's got some weight on it. Alright, you Brennan, pull the fish out. Pull the fish out, I got the net.
There's a nice bass.
There's this extra
I
shad.
say 2 pounds.
Yeah.
Maybe 3.
Oh, it looks like he's got a scar right there. Look at that.
Oh, maybe he got hit by a dog. Hey guys, yeah. So, we don't have a lot of views on these. So if you could please subscribe to our videos, that'd be sweet, so more people will view. Because we just started this YouTube channel.
Sorry for not showing you when we're reeling it in. It's kind of hard.
We're kind of on a little boat and it's kind of hard, and we don't have GoPros, which
we want,
yeah,
which would be cool. Then we would probably just leave them on the whole time.
Yeah, but so that's a nice bass right there. And we'll get you some more if we catch some more. See ya.
Alright guys, we're back. We're gonna just caught a little bass right next to the boat, about right there. Still using the fat, sexy shad.
I'm using this anyway. Keegan has a nice bite right over here somewhere.
It almost took it out of the water.
There's my little bass. I say about. You want to measure? I say 10.
Yeah,
10 inches about. Guys, this is Brennan. I'm just gonna say what me and Keegan are gonna say what our reviews were today. Keegan doesn't have his lure, it's in the back of the car, so we just don't have it. I used a fat, sexy shad lure second, and I used what he was using. tell us what you were using?
It looked like it was kind of like a bleeding color. And then I used another one. It's purple color. It's right there. Yeah, it's not.
We didn't catch anything on that one. But yeah, so we had a pretty good day. His was the medium diver, mine was the shell diver. We caught 6 bass today, pretty good. Or 5. Okay, my bad, 5. So yeah, thank you for watching another episode of Keegan and Brennan. Please subscribe and comment if you have anything to say. See you.